Alright guys, we're here camping this weekend. We're at Salt Lick again this weekend. So anyway, we're going to try something a little different. I'm going to fry some bacon I got over there. It's a skillet recipe we found in a book. I'll show you the book we found it in. We've had them for a long time. It's Pioneer Camp Cooking. Anyway, it shows that we're going to cook 2 slices of bacon and then lay.
Alright, so he's starting with his 4 pieces of bacon. I'm going to go in and get the other stuff so we can proceed on. So we'll see how it does. The bacon's a little bigger than pan, but that'll be okay. I know people say it all the time, but man, I wish we had smell-o-vision. This is incredible. And our bacon did shrink down to fit the pan, so that's awesome.
Alright, so we're fixing to flip this bacon here in a minute and see what they said to do. Those pieces are not ready yet, so we'll do them separate, I guess.
Mike was just talking about it didn't say to drain the grease, so I don't know if that's part of the experience it's soaking up in the bread or what. We'll let you know. We've been trying to eat better, but this is not on that diet. Our gut tells us to drain it, but it doesn't say to drain it. It just says flip it and put it on there. So we decided we are going to drain some of it. So he's putting it on a plate. We're going to drain some of the grease, like in the fire pit. And then keep going. I mean, it is like, I don't know, quarter, half inch deep of grease. Maybe I should have made the hole bigger. And then after these cook, it says, what, a piece of cheese?
Yes.
And he's breaking the yolks for me because I don't like runny yolks. Hoping that it'll cook for me some. Okay. So we're kind of talking about and wondering how it's going to cook all the way through on the egg. We don't know if we're going to have to flip it because we're picky or what. You can see what ran off is cooking, but not what's on the bread. So Mike went in to get a spatula because he feels like the bacon's going to burn and the eggs aren't cooking. So we're going to flip it. So we'll see.
I don't know what we done wrong.
I don't know if it's even a wrong. Maybe they just didn't say that they flipped it. I think it'll do better, don't you?
I do. I think
And
we're
the
going to lay
bacon's
that cheese
complete.
right on top.
That's gonna be good. I think you figured it out. It said one skillet, it's still one skillet. It just wasn't exactly how they said. That's part of having fun, figuring this out. Yeah. They look like they're doing much better, don't they?
Yes, they do.
Alright, I was going to show you real quick. Our campsite, we're right on the lake. And we just happened to get this. I don't know, I guess he signed up for the alert like maybe a week ago. Maybe not even that. And somebody canceled on the lake. I said probably because the heat index is going to be 111. But anyway, beautiful site. Site 83. Oh, Mike turned them again. Cheese on. And then I'm going to go get us some forks and we can go ahead and eat.
Guys, so we got it done. We're going to try them and see if they're any good. I'm excited.
Me too.
Alright guys, we are doing a little stew tonight over the camp stuff. I was going to do it over the fire, but we've had a little rain and thunderstorms and all that, so I'm hoping I can get this done tonight. But this is going to be a stew. You can see I'm browning some bacon, and then I'm going to put some chicken and onions in just a few minutes, and I'm going to start doing that. Alright, so I'm getting my chicken and my onions and in my bacon that I was cooking. I'm just waiting for it to brown, and then we're going to put in some other ingredients. I'll show you here in just a few minutes what we're doing with that. So this is what we're getting it out of. The Pioneer Camp Cooking. That's what we're doing, chicken gumbo. That's what we're doing tonight. So, and that's what this is looking like. Alright, we were cooking outside, but I had to bring it in. You can see what it's looking like now. This has only been probably 10 minutes ago because the weather's bad outside, so I had to bring it in and finish it up inside. So I was going to do it over the fire, but I knew the weather wasn't good today, so I'll try to do it over the fire next time, and I'll show you guys again. But this is what it's looking like. We got to cook it for an hour, so I'll show you more as we get done with it. Thank you guys. Alright guys, it is now, this is what it's looking like. It's getting thick, and like I said, we had to bring it in because of the storms outside. But man, it is about ready to eat, and it's getting good and thick and nice. I just want to show you guys because we're going to eat here probably in the next 10-15 minutes because this thing is getting good and everything should be good in it. So let me show you kind of what's going on outside. Like, this is the reason I brought it inside. I feel sorry for the people that's in tents, but yeah, you can see it is storming and it looks, yeah, there's a little rain, a little thunder, a little lightning, and the wind, but so we're inside enjoying. So we're going to do that. Love you guys. You need us. Alright guys, we are sitting down to eat. Very much excited. It turned out really good. So I don't try to buy it of it, just so you know beforehand. It is awesome. Just keep watching and we'll send you more. Thank you. Alright guys, it's Saturday morning and I'm frying a little chicken strips for breakfast. We'll have that and some eggs and some biscuits. I put some caramelized onion seasoning on this stuff, so we're going to see if it's any good. I'm trying something new this morning, but anyway, it looks like that's what we're going to have. I'll show you when I get it done. Alright guys, that is the finished product. Getting ready to dig in. There's the chicken. We got biscuits and scrambled eggs and all the stuff to go with it. So anyway, we're fixing to dig in and enjoy. Alright guys, I got a fire built. Anyway, we're gonna fry a little fish and some hush puppies over this fire here in a little while. I'm gonna get some coals on it and I'll show you guys what I'm doing when I get ready to do it. Alright, I guess I could show you. We're camping this weekend. This is our campsite. We are enjoying it. It's a pretty cool little campsite. We're on a lake. Like I said, I got a fire built for the cooking tonight. Got a grill. 4th of July. Try to stay a little cool, but it's been a nice day. It's all right. I mean, like I said, we're right on the lake and we have enjoyed this whole weekend. It has been nice. Alright, I told you I was going to cook some fish over the fire. I've just got my oil on there now. Broke my fire up, got my oil on there. So I got to let it get up to temperature and then I'll show you guys when I'm dropping fish in. Frying up good. We got some catfish frying. We're gonna do some hush puppies here in a few and we'll show you a little more when I get those on there. It's gonna be good, guys. I got this cooking over the fire. Catfish.
So like I said, they're getting close. They're just not crispy enough.
Not crispy yet.
So we're really close. I got the broccoli going inside, and then we just have hush puppies next, and then we have a basil pasta salad to have with us.
This one is ready. Alright guys, I'm going to do some hush puppies. I try to make a small batch. We'll just see what happens if I put a little flour, a little cornmeal, an egg, and some milk, and Lowry seasoning, and a little bit of that garlic. No, it wasn't garlic, it was freaking butter, caramelized butter seasoning. I'll show you this one. I cooked the chicken in this morning. So anyway, we'll just see how it turns out. But this is what I'm fixing to do. Is these are hush puppies. So what I do is I put this spoon in there and get it good and hot. And I do this right here. This This is more than enough for Sherry and I, but I just like, man, I got it. I'm just gonna keep dropping them until I get done. If we don't eat them, it's fine, because they get kind of greasy once they sit in there. So, all right.
They cook so quick. We're getting close, Mike.
Getting close, dear.
Alright, so here's our plates. We have my hush puppy and fish and the basil pasta and broccoli. So anyway, we're going to dig into this, and thank you all so much for coming with us. We just thought we might be able to give you some ideas when you go camping. We don't always eat really healthy, but we try to do okay. Anyway, the fried fish doesn't count, but anyway, just hope that maybe you can get some ideas from what we're fixing.